What's up? All right, so I'm working on the Festool lid to hold the clamps, and I'm going to show you some ideas I came up with. I got to get this PackOut pulled apart. I'm going to take a PackOut apart. What we're going to do to make this easier is we're going to push there. We are going to grab here. One hand. Pins out. Lids off. Some of this PVC trim. Cutting it down. One of the advantages of taking this lid off is that I can place the piece that I'm working with on a table, lay it in there, and start marking stuff off. Went ahead and got that marked because I could line it up next to it. Got those marked, so now I got to trim those out. See how those fit. I also need to put a radius on this, and what I'll probably do is take this guy and see if I can line one up that matches, and then I'll transfer it over to that. Okay. All right, so I got some good stuff going on over here. Let me turn this around and show you what I got. So, the template thing does a great job. Got my corners all knocked down. I want to put that there. I got a hole here for that. It's for the blade. And we'll watch this. All right, so the blade, the thumb screw goes there, right? Oh, the clamp defies gravity. And how does it do that? Look, this is how much effort this clamp takes to get out. But there's absolutely nothing holding it in place physically. That's it. All you have to do is line that up and put that there. And that is so that this doesn't slide into the seal part. So when I put this back on here, it misses. And because you saw how much effort it took to get that out of there, there's no way. Now, you want to see how I did this? Go ahead and stop. Let me show you how I did this. Let me pry this out first. Watch this. On the back of there is a computer hard drive magnet. And that hole that you saw earlier when I dropped this, you see the magnet? That fits in that pocket that I used, the M18 router. And then the head right there lines up with that hole. And when the two come near each other, it pulls that magnet onto there. And then again, that screw head keeps that from getting in the way. So I got to make another one for this side, and I get this put back together. Well, I'm going to make the other one and then put it all the way together. Have a good one. Okay, so I got it working. Come take a look. So, PackOut AmmoCan, blades, clamps. I've got to make another one, but right now, there you go. That took effort. Magnet keeps that from hitting there. It can close, it can open. So what I'll probably do is I'll go ahead and do a recess for the blades so they'll go exactly where I want it. I'll put another magnet in over here, hold the other clamp, and I might go ahead and put some other recesses for some of the extra knobs. But there you go. There's a Festool inside of a PackOut. Have a good one. And I realized that I didn't say
PackOut!
PackOut!